Fix battens along the roof edge for trims. Double batten for drip edge trims. Apply PU adhesive along battens. Fix trims to the deck using clout nails. The RoofCell OLB 300 trim can be used to encapsulate the existing roof edge to save removing roof edges. Use a D260 or D300 or a trim from the AT trim range for step details and parapet walls. Remember to overlap trims by 50 mm. The AT195 external trim can be used for capping step details. Apply PU adhesive along the bottom edge to secure to the trim and clout nails to secure to the deck. Once trims have been fitted, reinforcement mat can be rolled out for the roof area.